Hey, welcome back. So can you believe that summer is almost over? I'm having a hard time believing that myself, for sure. Summer just flew by. Now it's just August still, but fall is definitely in the air, right? So I know we're all looking forward to those cooler temperatures, but I am a little sad about summer coming to a close. My kids have already started back school, so I'm kind of a little excited about that, and then a little sad that they're not here with me as well, because we just, had such a fun summer. So anyways, we are actually bringing forward our fall line just a little bit early in August, okay? So our fall catalog with 31 is going to be launching on September 1st. But if you're interested in the business aspect of 31, we've actually brought fall forward for you. So when you enroll as a 31 consultant in the month of August, you are going to receive our fall enrollment kit, which means fall prints, fall catalogs, fall business supplies, everything fall that you need to get started. And something that's really great about joining in August is that you're going to receive an extra 31% off your enrollment kit in the month of August only. Now, our enrollment kits are discounted deeply already. You get so many amazing things to get your business off to a strong start, and you're going to actually get 31% more off of your enrollment kit when you enroll in August. Now, there's several things to think about when you are considering the business opportunity. So first is think about your why. Why do you want to enroll as a consultant? What are your plans? A strong why helps you drive your business, okay? So your why may be for you to make a little extra money. Maybe you want to pay on a credit card bill. Maybe you have an area in your home that needs renovating and you need some extra money. Maybe you just want to be able to get Chick-fil-A and Starbucks each day, or once a week or twice a week, or whatever it may be. Maybe, for me, it was just, paying for a vacation. So whatever your why may be. So maybe it is for a little extra girl time. You want to get together with some of your girlfriends, maybe in person or online. Maybe you just love the product so much that you want to be able to get your hands on it first, and you want to know everything first. Or maybe you want a way to be able to give back, to do fundraisers and things like that. There's so many ways that you can give back with 31. So consider your why, okay? The second thing to consider is your sponsor. Your sponsor is a huge part of you getting started in this business. So if you have a 31 consultant, definitely reach out to her. Ask her all the questions, okay? If you don't have a 31 consultant, I would love to be your sponsor. I'll link below my VIP group on Facebook so you can get in touch with me that way. Ask me all the questions. I'm an open book when it comes to 31 in my business, because it's truly changed my life, and I want to be able to share that blessing with other women that are looking for something in their life. So lots to consider. I'll link above my frequently asked questions video, so you can watch that video, and hopefully I'll answer some of your questions in that video, but you can reach out to me on Facebook. We can definitely chat and see if 31 might be a fit for you. Okay, so let's show you all three of our enrollment kits. So we actually have three that you can choose from. We have they're at three different price points. So it's the option is up to you whether you want to get the smaller kit or up to the largest kit. It may be a financial decision for you, but you get to choose. And plus, it's really great because this month is 31% off. Okay, so the first one this is our basic best sellers kit, okay? So this is normally, I should have had a cross through that. Normally, it is $59, and you're going to get it this month for $40.71. The value is $261. Now, each kit is going to build on the one before. So in the next kit, you'll get all of these products plus more, okay? And what's great about our enrollment kits is you get to choose your own prints, and the items that come personalized in your kit, you get to choose your own personalization. So what I love about our 31 enrollment kits is we set you up for success from the very beginning, because you're going to get our top selling products in each of the enrollment kits. Okay, so just know that going in. I mean, look at the All About the Benjamins wallet you're getting in there, our large utility tote, so many of our top selling items. Okay, the next kit is called our Signature Fan Faves kit. So you'll see all of those products in the first kit. plus more. So this is valued at $431. You would normally pay $99 for it, but you're going to get it for $68.31 in the month of August. Okay, so Fresh Market Thermal, you're going to get that modern tote. I mean, so many of our top selling products in here. Okay, and then the last kit that we have is called the Ultimate Goal Getter Kit. All right, so oh my goodness, this is the one that I would definitely go for. I think it's the best deal. Okay, it's valued at $769. You would normally pay $179, but you're going to get it for $123.51 in the month of August. So many. Our Weekender in here, our deluxe utility tote, the stand tall bin, a window shopper. I mean, our top selling products. Plus, you're going to get the brand new fall catalog. You'll get fall catalogs in your enrollment kit. This is actually one signed from Cindy Monroe, so that one's super special to me. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you're considering the business opportunity, let's chat and just see if 31 might be a fit for you, okay? I love 31. It's truly changed my life, and I love sharing that blessing with other women. So I hope that you have a great day. Check out all the details below. I'll link below my VIP group. So if you don't have a 31 consultant that you're working with, I would love to be your 31 girl and maybe even your sponsor if you decide to join. So I hope you have a great day. See you soon. Bye.